sis, it is your girl XO Rocky. Welcome to another my first video where I show you my first styles after I transitioned to natural. So these are the styles that I did once I cut off all of my relaxed ends. So this is my first twist out that I am showing you here. I do have a video with my first wash and go ever up, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out. So back then I could just finger comb my hair. It was pretty simple for me to do my hair. I feel like now that I am fully in this natural game and have been in it for about 3 years, I find that it's actually more of a struggle to do my hair than it was initially. So I am not able to just finger rake my hair. I literally have to use a comb or a brush to comb through my hair. I can't just finger rake it. So that did make the process more simple. So this really helped me to fall in love with my hair and not, hate the process. Just the simplicity of it. So I'm really happy about that because I love my hair now. I wouldn't trade it for anything. So I used to really love the OGX spray. I do have a video of me using simply drugstore products on my channel, but other than that, I don't really use products like that. I would rather actually use a real oil than like a generic oil such as that. But as you can see, I'm unraveling my hair just by twisting it forward and then separating it. And it was very simple. I think twist outs are a very kind of simple process, a simple hairstyle that you can do. I don't love twist outs that much just because of the shrinkage they give me, but I do feel like they are easier to install and take down than braid outs. So I love the way my hair came out. I do feel like I had some frizzy areas, but overall the style came out really nice and defined, and I was really pleased with it. I was really enjoying the process of learning my hair and doing new styles on it. So it was all just very fun for me the first few months of just doing my hair and learning what worked and what didn't work. I hope you found these my first series videos to be helpful. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. But until next time, see ya!